Hello everyone, it's me Fida here with you. In this video, I'm gonna let you know how you can get rid of the freckles. Guys, if you are having the problem of the freckles, then this video could be helpful for you because in this video, I'm gonna suggest you a solution that you can make at your home with the natural ingredients and you can apply to your skin to get rid of the freckles. So guys, now we are going to start our video, and here I'm gonna divide this video in three parts. The first part, it would be related to the benefits of the ingredients, and the second part, it would be related to the ingredients with the quantity, and my last part, it would be related to the complete procedure where I will let you know how to make the solution and how to apply on your skin. So guys, now we are going to start our first part of the video where I will let you know about the benefits of the ingredients. Lemon is a natural skin bleaching agent and general option compared to chemical treatments. It lightens the skin and even out the skin tone, thus helping to fade the freckles fast. Since lemon can be a little drying and sensitive for the skin type, combining it with the honey makes more perfect remedy. Being a humectant, honey keeps the skin well hydrated and it also helps lighten the skin, which helps to get rid of the freckles quickly. These were some benefits of the ingredients what I have already shared with you. Now we are going to our second part of the video where I will let you know about the ingredients and the quantity. So guys, for this solution we have needed only 3 ingredients. Number 1, we have needed the lemon juice. Number 2, we have needed the honey, and number 3, we have needed the salt. So guys, these are the ingredients what we have needed. Now I'm going to let you know about the quantity. For our first ingredients, lemon juice, we have needed 1 tablespoon, and for our second ingredients, honey, we have needed 1 tablespoon, and our third ingredient, salt, we have just needed a pinch of salt. So guys, these were the ingredients and the quantity. Now we are moving to our third part of the video where I will let you know about the complete procedure, how to make this solution and how to apply on your skin to get rid of the freckles from your skin. So guys, now we are moving to our third part of the video where I will let you know about all these things. This is 2-step method, and the step 1 is combine lemon juice, honey and salt. So guys, now I'm gonna let you know what we have to do for this step 1. Number 1, pour 1 tablespoon of the fresh squeezed lemon juice into a small bowl. Number 2, add 1 tablespoon of honey to the bowl. Number 3, add a pinch of salt to it. Use a sea salt if possible, though regular table salt will work fine as well. So guys, that was our step 1. Now we are going to our step 2, and our step 2 is mix and apply the mask on your freckle skin. So guys, now I'm gonna let you know what we have to do for this step 2. Number 1, mix the ingredients ensuring the salt dissolved completely. Number 2, apply the mask over the freckles on your skin using your finger. Number 3, leave it on for about 20 minutes before rinsing it off with the plain water. That was simple and the easy procedure to make this solution at home with the natural ingredients to get rid of the freckles from your skin. So guys, I'm gonna suggest you here, you may apply this mask on your skin on the daily basis until you get the desired result. So guys, that was the solution for today. Next time I'll come with some other useful solution. Till that time, take care.